Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable fraud alerts with Experian on mobile step by step clearly. Open the Experian app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Fraud Alerts or Fraud Protection. Tap on that option to access the fraud alert settings. You may see a brief introduction explaining what fraud alerts are. Read through the information to understand the service's importance. If you're ready to proceed, look for a button that says Enable or Set up Fraud Alerts. Tap on that button to continue. You might be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions for identity verification. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. After successful verification, you will return to the Fraud Alert Setup screen. You will see options to customize your fraud alert settings. Decide how you want to receive alerts either via email, text, or both. Make your selections based on your preferences. Once you've made your choices, look for the Save or Confirm button. Tap to save your new settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that fraud alerts are now enabled. If you have any questions, access the Help section within the app for more information. Close the app when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.